Namaste. In this class, we are going to learn alignment and adjustment of flow pose. Now, let's understand how to enter into flow pose. You have to start from Dandasan. Please come into Dandasan, palms beside of your thighs. Keep pulling your toes towards your sides, chest up. Now, you have to make use of the momentum to throw the leg back. Lie down on your back and throw your legs back. You need to come little more front. Come front, please. Yes. Now, throw your legs back while lying down. Okay, so he is doing pretty well. Now let's understand what are the adjustments you can give to the practitioner. Sometimes practitioner struggle to touch their feet on the floor or mat. So what you can do, you can give something heighted under their toes. Like here I am using the bolster, but you can use anything according to the need of practitioner. Even you can also use the chair if they are struggling here. You can place the yoga chair here, up here. Okay, but he is doing fine, so I am just using the bolster here. Flex your foot, do dorsiflexion, keeping your elbows together. Even you can also tie the strap on the elbows to keep the elbows in, but that is not needed here. Okay, now interlace your finger and rest your elbow down onto the mat, rest your forearm down onto the mat. So what is the most important thing is in halasan is to maintain hip and shoulder in one line, and he is maintaining that. He just need to create a line. So you can ask them to lift the hip more up. Can you lift? Can you lift? Look, he is doing, but he is struggling a little bit. So how you can adjust him or adjust the practitioner who are doing like this? Just take a strap, and even his forearm is coming off from the mat. So you can take a strap and you have to place the strap inside of their leg like this, and you have to create a space. Then place your back of the ankle in between their hands and ask them to grab your ankle. Grab my ankle properly and tightly, and with your legs you have to push back. Okay, and with your arms you have to lift up. Okay, like this. With your arms pull back, and with the strap lift up. This will create the length in the spine. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release and slowly come back. This is the alignment and adjustment of halasan. Namaste.